What's up? It's your boy Illuminati linking up for Crypto Caribbean and Crypto Today on this Monday, 6th February 2023. 2 weeks out from the greatest Monday to ever Monday in the history of Mondays, the greatest show on earth, Trinidad and Tobago Carnival. Now, over the weekend, a lot of talk has been made about the CBTT's issuance of 2 new provisional e-money issuer licenses. Well, I mean, more one than the other. But I found that the individual who made the now viral video, I think he missed an opportunity, a great opportunity as a matter of fact, to educate people about what exactly the license is about, what it actually entails, instead of just, speculating about, how it may have been accessed, right? So I'm gonna pick up where he slacked off, and we're gonna talk a little bit about the e-money license. But before I do so, you all know the drill. ICE rule. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. Right? Just information, just a conversation, just education, right? So, what the bumbleclat is an e-money issuer, and what is e-money as a matter of fact? So, e-money, it can be broadly defined as any electronic store of monetary value on a technology device, particularly. In most instances is your mobile phone, but it could be on any technology device. It is used primarily for making payments to the entity that has the e-money issuer license, but also any other entity, right? It could be used for payment transactions with or without a bank account. And it could be used for online or offline payments. Now, TSTT, for example, now has the license, and I'd assume they'd now be going to facilitate an app which allows people to load money onto it, possibly as easily as you would top up your mobile phone. And then you could use that credit to make other payments, inclusive of online payments, to other businesses or to do online shopping, as the case may be. Now, benefiting persons who may have previously been excluded from doing shopping online, they might now be able to benefit, right? Because you don't need a bank account. So the license does not allow TSTT or any other issuer particularly to create new money. This is not a money creator, right? So it also doesn't offer them the ability to offer banking services, so like deposit interest or even loans. Now, this move was actually made available since 2008 through the Financial Institution Act of the same year, 2008, and at the time it was taught by the CBTT, the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago, to benefit the citizens in multiple ways. For example, they wanted to create greater competitiveness in the electronic payment arena, so not just banks having the opportunity to do so. They wanted to reduce the use of cash and checks as a form of payment, and they ultimately wanted to create and promote greater financial inclusion. Again, in the Caribbean particularly, we have a challenge where we have a huge unbanked population. So, one thing I wanted to clarify here, e-money isn't cryptocurrency, right? E-money isn't a CBDC. It's just a regular digital form of existing fiat currency. I think that's one thing I wanted to make clear here, right? And an e-money issuer must be registered with the Financial Intelligence Unit of Trinidad and Tobago. So it's not just somebody picking up on the side of the road and doing things without being regulated. Now, I hope that this gave you guys a little bit more of an understanding and a better understanding of what e-money is and what an e-money issuer does. And whether or not you could trust one that has been licensed by the Central Bank of Trinidad and Tobago when it comes to conducting your business. Have a blessed Monday, guys. As I always say, adoption is inevitable. Illuminati out. Peace.